Hello student. Today we take the first practical of this year. Student, your first practical is we learn in this practical desktop background, taskbar, system tray, then show desktop button and learn about the gadgets. So first we see the desktop. So students, this is the first screen that appears on the monitor. When you switch on the computer, you can see this desktop window. Okay, so you must have be seeing the various things such as files, folders, then clock, then calendar. You see here. So these are the small pictures you see on the desktop. So these pictures we call the icons. Okay. And see here the many icons are there are the computer, these are the network, and here one icon is the recycle bin. This recycle bin is the dustbin of the computer. Okay, has the dustbin called recycle bin and which contain deleted files. Okay, so in this desktop you see the desktop background also. This is the desktop background. The desktop background of your picture is known as a desktop background. You can also change the desktop background picture with the picture of your choice. Okay, you want to change the picture, so you follow the some steps. After that you change this desktop background. These steps we learn in the next year. Okay, then you see here the taskbar. Okay, in this taskbar you see the start button. Okay, this is the start button, and this is the quick launch bar. If you see the bottom of the window, you see the taskbar, and in the taskbar you see here the quick launch bar. In this quick launch bar, open a respective application quickly by clicking the icons. Okay, when you click these icons, single clicking, that time this program will be open. So quickly action we can perform using this quick launch bar. Okay, so if you see the right hand side in the corner, so here is the system tray. So in this system tray, the date and time you can see, current date and time you can see here. So now you see here the 12 p.m. and date is the 13th October. So you see the date and time here. Okay, and the this right corner in the last button, these are the show desktop button. If you see the cursor, if you give the cursor here, so you see the name here. So these are the show desktop button. So this button present in the right corner of taskbar and minimizes all the open programs and display only the desktop. You can see the all the list, minimize program list you can see here. Okay, so you see here the desktop show desktop button here. Okay, so these are the information about the desktop. Okay, now we see the gadgets. Okay, if you read the lesson, so you see the gadgets also. So gadgets are programs that are accessed frequently, such as clock, alarm clock, calendar, free headlines, games, etc. Okay, there are thousands of the free gadgets available in the latest version of Windows 7. Okay, by default only the 8 gadgets are there, but if you go the online, so there are the free 100 gadgets are available in this Windows 8. Okay, so first we see how we apply the gadgets in the computer. Okay, so first you right click anywhere on the desktop where the any icons are not there, so you can click on the this place. So now I click here, right click here, so you can see this small window. Okay, you see the menu appearance list, so you choose the option gadgets. In the if you see the cursor is here, their option, this option is the gadget, so you can click it, this gadgets option. Okay, so there are the 8 by default icons are there. Okay, so now we apply some gadgets. So first we see the see the calendar. Okay, only you can click this gadget, so you can see the here. Okay, when I double click on the calendar, so you can see the calendar here. Okay, in this calendar you see the today's date, month and year. Okay, and if you want to change the size, so using this button you can change the size, and this if you change the size, that time you see the this month calendar also. Okay, so this is the features of the Windows 8. Okay, now we see the clock. If you want to apply the clock on the desktop, so you can double click on the clock icon. Now I double click on the clock icon, so you see the what is the effect you see here. You can see the clock on the desktop. Okay, so using this clock you see the time. Okay, so these are the features of Windows 8 gadgets. Okay, then next interesting part is the puzzle, picture puzzle. Okay, so now I double click on this picture puzzle. Okay, so you hear the picture puzzle. Okay, so I will drag here this icon, so you see the picture puzzle. Okay, so to play the game, click any piece of the piece adjacent to the blank square. Okay, there is the one blank square you see here. You can adjust the piece of this picture. Okay, this is the picture of one bird. You can adjust this picture, and the one blank space is there. Using this blank space you adjust your piece. Okay, so the piece moves into the blank space. Keep quickly and moving. Okay, if you click on the picture, so your piece will move. So piece until you get the piece arrange to your you change the piece. Okay, this piece pictures we will change by clicking. So your picture is, if you see the pictures, real picture is like that, so you can change this puzzle blocks, you can change the your picture. Okay, so the if you see the real picture, so you can click here the, so if you click on these two arrows, so you see the real picture. Okay, so student, everyone do the practice of this gadgets, desktop features and these gadgets. Okay, so you play the puzzle and you solve this puzzle at home. Okay, so everyone do the practice for these gadgets also. Okay, everyone understood? Thank you student, and everyone do the practice at home. Okay, if you have the computer at home, so you practice it. Okay, so bye students, everyone stay safe and stay home. Okay.